Good morning. Today we are going to discuss Unit 2, Grade 5, Semester 2, Food and Health, Part 1. This task, we need to read and discuss the sentences about food. In each statement, we should write true or false. يعني هنختار صح أو خطأ حسب is it a healthy food or unhealthy food. For example, number 1, eating lots of sugar is good for you. أكل كثير من السكر good for you مفيد للصحة. طبعا بنختار false. Number 2, too much fat is bad for you. too much يعني أكثر من اللازم من الفاتس الدهون is bad for you. طبعا true صحيح. Number 3, it's important to eat lots of different fruit and vegetables. It's important من المهم to eat lots of different fruit and vegetables. طبعا العبارة true. Here we have the healthy diet pyramids. We have cereals, we have pasta, we have vegetables, fruits, then milk, yogurt, meat, and the last thing is fats, oil, and sweets. We have to discuss healthy and unhealthy food. Here we should look at the food and draw a happy face for healthy food and a sad face for unhealthy food. يعني الطعام الصحي بنرسم له happy face. الطعام الغير صحي unhealthy food بنرسم له sad face.
Listening 1.2.
1. Do you like playing volleyball?
No, I don't.
2. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I do.
3. Do you like taking photographs?
I don't mind taking photographs.
4. Do you like reading comics?
Yes, I do.
We need to match the picture to the phrases. هنوصل البيكتشرز الصور للفريزز المكتوبة. وطبعا احنا هنا بنعمل براكتس للكاونتابل والانكاونتابل ناون والكوانتيتيز الكميات. يعني water هناخد لها a bottle of water. tin علبة الفاصوليا a tin of peas. carton of orange juice. a bag of crisps. a jar of honey. a can of
Listening 2.2.
I always eat 5 servings of vegetables a day.
I try to eat healthy snacks like fruit instead of chocolate and sweets.
My healthy tip is to drink lots of water.
I recommend only eating junk food occasionally.
I eat a big breakfast, so I don't eat any snacks before lunch.
هنا يجب أن نفرق بين الأسماء التي تنتهي ب O والأسماء التي تنتهي ب OO عند الجمع. For example, tomato وتنتهي ب O نضيف ES تبقى tomatoes. domino dominoes. potato potatoes. أما الأسماء التي تنتهي بدبل O نضيف الإس فقط عند الجمع. زي إجلو اللي هو بيت السلك. إجلوز. kangaroo كنغر kangaroos zoo zoos. أما كلمة بيانو فمن الكلمات الشاذة والتي يضاف لها فقط حرف اس. Countable nouns. Countable nouns refer to things that can be counted. They have singular and plural forms. For example, one apple is a singular form, 4 apples is a plural form. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns refer to things that cannot be counted, such as abstract nouns or liquids. For example, paint. Now let's make simple comparison between the use of few and little. Few is used before countable nouns to refer to a limited number. For example, I bought few books. She has few friends. A little. We use a little with uncountable nouns. For example, there is a little milk left in the fridge. Example 2, I ate a little bread for breakfast. Now let's move to many. We use many with countable nouns in questions and in negative sentences mainly. For example, in questions, how many apples do you have? With negative sentences, there aren't many apples. Much. We use much mostly with uncountable nouns in questions and in negative sentences. For example, how much money do you have? And in negative sentences, I don't have much money. Here we compare between many or much. How much juice did you buy? If we choose between a few and a little, here I will read a few books at the weekend.
WalidAlsabrot channel presents Quantifiers. Good morning. Good morning, Yusuf. How are you today? Fine, thanks. How can I help you? I need to buy few eggs, many sweets, little sugar, but I do not have much money. You need to buy few eggs, many sweets, little sugar, but you do not have much money. Yes, and I do not have much time, also greater than. You can find few eggs in the second shelf and many sweets in the red cupboard and little sugar next to the salt corner. How much money do you want? Never mind, you can pay your money next week. Oh, thanks a lot. You have given me much happiness. I am very sorry for wasting your little time. You are welcome anytime. Today we could understand that much is used before uncountable nouns such as milk, marmalade, money. Time many is used before countable nouns such as bottles of milk, jars of marmalade, dollars, minutes. For example, how much money have you got? How many dollars have you got? We can use a little before non-countable nouns such as milk, marmalade, money, time, and we use a few before countable nouns such as bottles of milk, jars of marmalade, dollars, minutes. Yes, for example, he has a little money left. He has a few dollars left. We use few and little without the article to point out a more negative meaning. For example, a few students of our school know this. There are some students who know it. Few students know this. It is almost unknown. This was a grammar lesson about the use of quantifiers. Thanks, until we meet again in another lesson.
need to sort the words into countable and uncountable noun. نشوف الكلمات هذه ونحطها في الجدول الخاص بالcountable والجدول الخاص uncountable. For example, carrot countable noun يعد فهنحطها في العمود الأول. rice uncountable noun فنحطها في العمود الثاني.